Krishna Hare Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Nityananda.
हरि 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 हरि
Saraswati Devi Auravaniva Harane Nirvishesa Sanyavadi Achatadasa Harane. Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaura Bhattacharya. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Hare Rama, Krishna Jadavaya Rama.
Hare Rama, Krishna Jadavaya Rama.
Hare Govinda Ram,
Hare Govinda Ram, Sina
Hare Bol, Hare Bol, Hare Bol. Angolangaya Deyan, Akshitadavan Mande, Sriyodipayam, Parananamara, Sri Chaitanya Ishram, Hari Om Tat Sat.
আমি বেশি বাংলা জানি। I know more Bengali.
मुझको बंगला ज़्यादा अच्छे से आती है।
थोड़ा हिंदी जानता हूँ।
लेकिन मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा हिंदी जानता हूँ। But I know a bit of Hindi.
But if I speak English,
I'll speak in English.
मैं अंग्रेजी में बोलूँगा।
It will be easier
It will be easier for
for the translator.
the translator.
वो मेरे लिए सुविधाजनक ट्रांसलेटर के लिए सुविधाजनक होगा।
So, how then discussing how you are fortunate.
So we were discussing how you are fortunate.
तो हम चर्चा कर रहे थे कि कैसे आप सौभाग्यशाली हैं।
That Krishna has come again, Kali Yuga,
that Krishna has come again in the Kali Yuga,
कि कृष्ण कलयुग में अवतार लिए हैं
and he has spread the Harinam Sankirtan,
and he has spread the Harinam Sankirtan.
और उन्होंने संकीर्तन आंदोलन का प्रचार किया है
just as a teacher, and they take the chalk and show how to do something on the chalkboard.
Just as a teacher takes the chalk and shows you how to do something on the chalkboard,
जैसे एक अध्यापक चौक लेके बोर्ड के ऊपर लिख के दिखाता है
Similarly, Krishna came as Mahaprabhu.
similarly Krishna came as Mahaprabhu.
बिल्कुल वैसे ही श्री कृष्ण महाप्रभु के रूप में आए
Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
भगवान श्री चैतन्य महाप्रभु
And he taught how to do the bhakti for Lord Krishna.
And he taught how to do this bhakti for Lord Krishna.
और उन्होंने सिखाया कि कैसे कृष्ण के लिए भक्ति करनी चाहिए
It's a very rare opportunity.
It's a very rare opportunity.
ये बहुत दुर्लभ अवसर है
Mahaprabhu gave out pure love of Krishna.
Mahaprabhu gave out pure love of Krishna.
महाप्रभु ने श्री कृष्ण के प्रति शुद्ध प्रेम का दान किया
He wasn't considering who was qualified to receive it and who not.
He was not considering who was qualified to receive it and who was not.
महाप्रभु इसको नहीं देख रहे थे कि कौन योग्य है और कौन अयोग्य है
He gave to everyone,
He gave to everyone,
उन्होंने सबको प्रेम दान किया
even the most simple people.
even to the most sinful people.
सबसे सर्वाधिक पापी से पापी को भी
Bhakti Kapti Jato Jalo Harinama Udharima.
Tapi tapi jata chilo harinama uddharilo.
Mahasakti Jagat Adhare.
Tar shakhi jagaye madhai re.
He loved Lord Krishna even to the simple people.
He gave out love of Krishna even to the sinful people.
उन्होंने पापी से पापी को कृष्ण प्रेम दान किया
Normally, only one was surrendered to Krishna can get it.
Normally, only one who is surrendered to Krishna can get it.
साधारणतः जो कृष्ण को शरणागत होता है केवल उसको प्राप्त हो सकता है
But Lord Chaitanya and the guy were so merciful, they gave to everyone.
But Lord Chaitanya and Nitai were so merciful that they gave to everyone.
परंतु चैतन्य नित्यानंद इतने दयालु हैं कि वो सबको दिए
Jagai Madai, I told you before, they studied Shastra to see what the most sinful thing to do was.
As I told before, Jagai and Madhai studied Shastra to see what was the most sinful thing that can be done.
जैसा मैंने पहले बताया था कि जगाई मदाई शास्त्र अध्ययन करते थे ढूंढते थे कि सबसे ज्यादा पाप कर्म क्या है करने के लिए
So when they were delivered,
So when they were delivered,
and their karma was wiped clean,
when their karma was wiped clean,
तो जब उनका उद्धार किया गया और उनका कर्म नष्ट हो गया
there was a big talk in Yamalok.
there was talk in Yamalok.
तो यमलोक में इसकी चर्चा शुरू हुई
So Yamaraj came out, what's all the commotion?
So Yamaraj came out and said, "What's all the commotion?"
तो यमराज बाहर आके पूछे कि क्या बात है
So I Madai were delivered by Lord Chaitanya and Nitai.
Jagai and Madhai were delivered by Lord Chaitanya and Nitai.
जगाई मधाई का उद्धार हो गया है श्री चैतन्य महाप्रभु नित्यानंद प्रभु के द्वारा।
How much sin had they done?
How much sin had they done?
उन्होंने कितने पाप किए थे?
They did so much. Our ordinary 26 hells were not bad enough.
They did so much that our ordinary 26 hells were not bad enough.
तो उन्होंने इतने पाप किए थे कि 26 नरकों के लिए काफी नहीं थे।
We had architects working overtime to make a more painful, horrible hell for them.
We had people working overtime to make a more painful and horrible hell for them.
तो हमें लोगों को ओवरटाइम करना पड़ेगा उनको दंड देने के लिए।
But it's all wiped clean.
But their karma is all wiped clean.
मगर उनका तो सारा कर्म नष्ट हो गया है।
Then Yamaraj, he fell unconscious.
Then Yamaraj fell unconscious.
तो यमराज इस पे बेहोश हो गए।
So then they tried to revive Yamaraj.
So then they tried to revive Yamaraj.
तो यमराज को उठाने का प्रयास किए,
But he was not reviving.
But he was not reviving.
मगर वो होश में नहीं आ रहे थे।
Lord Shiva came.
Lord Shiva came.
वहां पर शिव जी आए।
He asked what's happening.
He asked, "What's happening?"
उन्होंने पूछा क्या हो रहा है।
He was told.
He was told.
उन्हें बताया गया,
He said, he's not fainted.
He's not fainted.
ये मूर्छित नहीं हुए हैं,
He's in ecstasy.
He's in ecstasy.
भावावेश में। ये भावावेश में है।
The only way you can revive him is by chanting the holy name.
The only way you can revive him is by chanting the holy names.
इनको उठाने का एक ही तरीका है कि भगवान के नाम का कीर्तन किया जाए।
So Yamalok, all the accountants and all his staff, they started to chant.
So in Yamalok, all the accountants and office staff began to chant.
तो यमलोक में जितने भी स्टाफ थे और अकाउंट रखने वाले थे वो सब कीर्तन करने लगे।
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Awakened.
Yamaraj awakened.
यमराज इस पे उठे।
Yamalok was filled with chanting.
Yamalok was filled with chanting.
यमलोक में कीर्तन की ध्वनि सब जगह सुनाई दे रही थी।
Harila,
Hari
हरि
Jagat Madai, very simple.
Jagai and Madhai were very sinful,
जगाई मधाई बहुत पापी थे,
They were also delivered.
but they were also delivered.
उनका भी उद्धार हो गया।
So there's hope. Everybody.
So there is hope for everybody.
इसलिए सबके लिए आशा है।
Those who are intelligent,
Those who are intelligent,
जो बुद्धिमान हैं
they chant Hare Krishna.
they chant Hare Krishna.
वो हरे कृष्णा का कीर्तन करते हैं।
So, there's a song that says, they go all they lie, they will they lie, Amana Doyalu Data.
There's a song that says, "Dekho re bhai tribhubane nai amonu doyalu data."
तो एक गीत है जिसमें कैसे एमोना भाई
Just say the three worlds, and no one so merciful.
Just see, in the three worlds, there is no one so merciful.
देखिए तीनों जगत में इससे अधिक कोई दयालु नहीं है।
The birds and beasts, they also cried.
The birds and beasts also cried.
पशु पक्षी भी रोते हैं।
The rocks were melted.
Rocks were melted.
पत्थर भी पिघल जाते हैं।
Lord Chaitanya crossed the Jharkhand jungle. He got the tigers and deers, jungle animals to sing and chant.
When Lord Chaitanya crossed the Jharkhand jungle, he got the tigers, deers, and animals to dance and chant.
जब महाप्रभु झारखंड जंगल से जा रहे थे तो उन्होंने सिंह को, मृग को, इन सबको भी कीर्तन में नचाया और गवाया।
We may not be able to do that.
We may not be able to do that.
हम ऐसा नहीं कर सकते।
Bhagavad said, at least we should get the human beings to sing and chant.
Prabhupada said at least we should get the human beings to sing and dance and chant.
प्रभुपाद ने कहा कि कम से कम हम मनुष्यों को कीर्तन में नचा सकें और गवा सकें।
So, when Lord Chaitanya couldn't see Lord Jagannath for 15 days after the Snan Yatra,
So when Lord Chaitanya could not see Lord Jagannath for 15 days after the Snan Yatra,
तो महाप्रभु जब 15 दिन तक जगन्नाथ जी के दर्शन नहीं कर पाए स्नान यात्रा के बाद,
he ran to the Alalanath temple about 11 kilometers away.
he ran to the Alalnath temple about 11 kilometers away.
तो 11 किलोमीटर दूर अलारनाथ मंदिर में महाप्रभु भाग के गए
And he paid his obeisances to the Vishnu deity there.
And he paid his obeisances to the Vishnu deity there.
और वहां पर भगवान विष्णु के विग्रह को प्रणाम किए
And he melted the granite stone.
And he melted the granite stone.
और वहां का जो पत्थर था उसको पिघाल दिया महाप्रभु।
He was feeling so much separation.
He was feeling so much separation
वो कृष्ण से इतना विरह का अनुभव कर रहे थे
And he melted the stone.
that he melted the stone.
कि उससे पत्थर भी पिघल गया।
Now that stone has been taken out and is worshipped.
Now that stone has been taken out and is worshipped.
अब उस पत्थर को बाहर रख के उसका पूजा किया जाता है।
The body print of Lord Chaitanya.
The body print of Lord Chaitanya.
उस पे महाप्रभु के शरीर के चिन्ह हैं।
How many have seen that in Jagannath?
How many have seen that in Jagannath Puri?
किस किस ने जगन्नाथपुरी में दर्शन किए हैं?
Many have seen that. Many have seen that.
Many have seen that.
तो बहुतों ने देखा है।
The body of Lord Chaitanya melted in the stone.
The body of Lord Chaitanya melted the stone.
महाप्रभु के शरीर से वो पत्थर भी पिघल गया।
So he has such devotion.
So he has such devotion.
तो उनके अंदर इस प्रकार की भक्ति थी।
He'll get animals to cry and dance.
The animals could cry and dance.
पशु भी नाचते और गाते थे।
And the rock, the granite would melt.
The rocks, the granite would melt.
पत्थर भी पिघल गए।
you have stone-like heart,
even if you have a stone-like heart,
तो अगर आपका हृदय पत्थर के समान कठोर ही क्यों ना हो,
Lord Chaitanya can melt it.
Lord Chaitanya can melt it.
महाप्रभु उसको पिघाल सकते हैं।
Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Rama. So this process of Sankirtan
So this process of Sankirtan
तो ये जो संकीर्तन की विधि है,
gives one unlimited spiritual bliss.
gives one unlimited spiritual bliss.
ये अनंत आध्यात्मिक आनंद प्रदान करता है।
All the opportunities I don't match up with this.
No other opportunities can match up with this.
इसके समान कोई दूसरा अवसर नहीं है।
He gives us this very blessing.
It's what?
He gives us this very blessing.
He gives us this rare blessing.
तो महाप्रभु ने ये हमको सर्वाधिक दुर्लभ वरदान दिया है।
Lord Chaitanya ordered Lord Nityananda
Lord Chaitanya ordered Lord Nityananda
भगवान श्री चैतन्य महाप्रभु ने नित्यानंद प्रभु को आदेश दिया
to preach and to spread the movement.
to preach and to spread the movement.
कि इस आंदोलन का प्रचार करें।
So that was Lord Nityananda carried out Lord Chaitanya's order.
So Lord Nityananda carried out Lord Chaitanya's order.
तो नित्यानंद प्रभु ने चैतन्य महाप्रभु के आदेश का पालन किया।
And Lord Chaitanya went to Orissa.
When Lord Chaitanya went to Orissa,
जब महाप्रभु उड़ीसा चले गए
He sent Lord Nityananda back to Bengal.
sorry,
He sent Lord Nityananda back.
he sent Lord Nityananda back to Bengal.
तो उन्होंने नित्यानंद प्रभु को वापस बंगाल भेज दिया।
There, Lord Nityananda, he did a profuse Harinam Sankirtan.
And there Lord Nityananda did a profuse Harinam Sankirtan.
अब वहाँ पर नित्यानंद प्रभु ने हरिनाम संकीर्तन किया।
Going around his first visit, he had huge kirtans all over Bengal.
In his first visit, he had huge kirtans all over Bengal.
तो उन्होंने अपनी पहली बार जाने पे बहुत विशाल कीर्तन किया बंगाल में।
He would leave different associates in different places.
He would meet the different associates in different places.
उन्होंने अलग अलग पार्षदों से भेंट की अलग अलग स्थानों पर।
They would preach in the area he gave. The associates would preach in the area Lord Nityananda assigned them to.
The associates would preach in the areas that Lord Nityananda assigned them to.
तो नित्यानंद प्रभु ने जिसको जो स्थान दिया प्रचार करने के लिए वहां पर उन्होंने प्रचार किया।
Sridham, the friend of Krishna in Rajalila,
Sridama, the friend of Krishna in Vrajalila,
श्रीदामा जो कृष्ण के सखा हैं ब्रजलीला में,
he began on Ram, Abhiram in Chaitanya Lila.
he became Abhiram in Chaitanya Lila.
वो चैतन्य लीला में अभिराम हुए।
And he assisted the diet.
And he had a sister that died.
He assisted the diet.
Oh, he assisted Nitai.
उन्होंने नित्यानंद प्रभु की सहायता की।
I don't know about the sister.
I don't know about a sister.
मुझे उनकी बहन के बारे में नहीं।
So he was worshipping the Gopinath Devi.
So he was worshipping the Gopinath deity.
वो गोपीनाथ के विग्रह की पूजा किया करते थे।
Then one tantric came up.
Then one tantric came up
तो वहां पर एक तांत्रिक आया
and thought, what are these Vaishnavas anyway?
and he thought, what are these Vaishnavas anyway?
I'll show them who I am. I am tantric Baba.
Who are they? I am a tantric Baba.
ये वैष्णव यहाँ पर कौन है? मैं तांत्रिक बाबा हूँ।
I ordered this tree burn to ashes.
I order this tree to burn to ashes.
Oh,
Burn to ashes.
tree burn down to ashes.
मैं आदेश देता हूँ कि ये गली जल जाए।
When servant came and told
When servants came and told Abhiram,
some crazy tantric just burned down a tree that Lord Nityananda would rest under as a kirtan.
some crazy tantric came and burned down the tree that Lord Nityananda would lay down and rest under.
तो अभिराम ठाकुर के एक सेवक ने उनको बताया कि उस तांत्रिक ने उस वृक्ष के जिस वृक्ष के नीचे नित्यानंद प्रभु आराम किया करते थे वहां पर आग लगा दी।
What? It's nonsense.
What? This is nonsense.
क्या पागलपन है?
You know, saw no tree, only ashes.
Abhiram saw no tree burned to ashes.
अभिराम देखे कि कोई भी वृक्ष ऐसा नहीं था जो राख हो गया।
Pulled out one of his hairs,
He pulled out one of his hairs,
threw it down.
threw it down. Bakul Vriksha Bhava.
उन्होंने अपना एक बाल तोड़ा और उसको फेंका बकुल वृक्ष भवा, ऐसा बोला।
Tree came back.
And boom, the tree came back.
और वहां पर वो वृक्ष वापस हो गया।
So, burning a tree is easier, but remanifesting is hard.
So burning down a tree is easy, but re-manifesting it is hard.
वृक्ष को जला के राख करना आसान है मगर उसको वापस प्रकट करना कठिन है।
And that tantric, he said, uh-oh,
So that tantric said, uh-oh,
तो तांत्रिक बोला ओ
I'm messing with the wrong person.
I'm messing with the wrong person.
मैं गलत व्यक्ति के साथ पंगा ले रहा हूँ।
So I bowed down and begged, I'll be wrong.
So he bowed down and begged to Abhiram,
तो उन्होंने अभिराम को प्रणाम किया,
Please forgive me.
please forgive me.
कृपया मुझे क्षमा कर दें।
You have to join the Sankirtan movement.
You have to join our Sankirtan movement.
तुम्हें हमारे संकीर्तन आंदोलन में जुड़ना होगा।
So one more member of the Kirtan.
So now one more member.
तो अब एक और सदस्य हो गया।
Hare Krishna, Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Abhiram, he was Sridham and Govardhan.
Abhiram was Sridama in Golok Vrindavan.
तो अभिराम श्रीदामा है गोलोक वृंदावन में।
he would sit with his disciples and associates
He would sit with his disciples and associates,
वो अपने शिष्यों और संगियों के साथ बैठा करते थे,
plan how to deliver all the villages around.
and plan how to deliver all the villagers around.
और ये विचार किया करते थे कि कैसे गांव के सारे लोगों का उद्धार करना है.
He would plan the strategic preaching strategy.
He would plan the strategic preaching strategy.
और वो योजनाएं बनाया करते थे कि किस प्रकार प्रचार करना है.
So this preaching is something you can't do in a spiritual world.
So this preaching is something that you cannot do in the spiritual world.
तो ये जो प्रचार का कार्य है कुछ ऐसा है जो आप आध्यात्मिक जगत में नहीं कर सकते हैं.
Because
इसका कारण है,
Why not?
why not?
क्यों नहीं? ये कह रहे हैं कि सभी भक्त हैं क्योंकि वहाँ पे
liberated soul.
Everyone in the spiritual world is a devotee and liberated soul.
क्योंकि आध्यात्मिक जगत में जो कोई भी है वो भक्त है और मुक्त
No conditioned souls.
There are no conditioned souls.
वहाँ पर कोई बद्ध जीव नहीं है.
No one to preach to. No one to preach to.
There's no one to preach to.
वहाँ पर कोई है नहीं जिसको प्रचार किया जाए.
So while you're here,
So while you're here,
तो जब तक आप यहाँ पर हैं,
take the opportunity
take the opportunity
इस अवसर का लाभ उठाएं.
to preach
Lord Chaitanya's message.
Lord Chaitanya's message.
महाप्रभु के संदेश का प्रचार करने में.
Preach Krishna's message.
Preach Krishna's message.
कृष्ण के संदेश का प्रचार करें.
Follow Gita as it is.
The Bhagavad Gita as it is.
भगवद गीता यथारूप.
So, this is a great opportunity.
This is a great opportunity.
ये एक बहुत महान अवसर है.
You are very fortunate.
And you are very fortunate.
और आप सब बहुत सौभाग्यशाली हैं.
Are there any questions?
Are there any questions?
किसी का कोई प्रश्न है? महाराज क्वेश्चन.
Hare Krishna Maharaj, what should be our mood while preaching the souls, conditioned souls? What should be our right mood?
हमारा
What
क्या
should be our mood while preaching?
प्रचार करते समय हमारा किस प्रकार का भाव होना चाहिए?
Mood.
Mood of the spiritual master.
The mood of the spiritual master.
आध्यात्मिक गुरु का जो भाव है वो होना चाहिए.
So Prabhupada, he had so much mercy.
Srila Prabhupada had so much mercy.
शिला प्रभुपाद की इतनी दया है.
He thought,
He thought,
how these people are suffering.
all these people are suffering.
उन्होंने विचार किया कि ये सारे लोग दुखी हैं.
Let me give them Krishna consciousness.
Let me give them Krishna consciousness.
इसलिए उनको कृष्ण भावना में दिया जाए
So they'll be healthy.
Let them be happy.
जिससे कि वो सुखी हो सके. अगला किसी का कोई प्रश्न है? गुरु से कैसे सेवा मांगे? गुरु से कैसे सेवा मांगे? His question is that how should we ask service from the Guru? You explain.
How should we ask for service from the Guru?
Well, if you have an opportunity,
Well, if you have an opportunity,
अगर आपको अवसर प्राप्त हो
you can ask him
you can ask him
तो आप याचना कर सकते हैं
directly what service you can do.
what service you can do.
कि क्या सेवा कर सकता हूँ.
Otherwise, you can ask his secretary.
Or you can ask his secretary,
या आप उनके सेवक से पूछ सकते हैं.
I asked Prabhupada what service I could do.
I asked Prabhupada what service I could do.
मैं प्रभुपाद से पूछा था कि मैं क्या सेवा कर सकता हूँ.
He told me to get him a rose.
He told me to get him a rose.
उन्होंने बोला कि मेरे लिए गुलाब लेके आओ.
The temple president, he said no.
But the temple president said no.
मगर जो मंदिर के अध्यक्ष थे वो मना कर दिए.
So there was a fight.
So there was a fight.
तो एक युद्ध हुआ. लड़ाई हुआ.
I got Prabhupada a rose. I got Prabhupada a rose.
I got Prabhupada a rose.
मगर मैं प्रभुपाद के लिए गुलाब लेके आया.
And I reported to the president. I reported to the president.
And I reported to the president. I reported.
ये मैं अध्यक्ष को बता दिया.
What gives us the strength to do that which is pleasing to Guru and Krishna, even if distasteful for me in my conditioned state?
तो ये बल कहाँ से प्राप्त होगा कि हम वो कर सकें जो गुरु और कृष्ण को की प्रीति के लिए हो. हालांकि अभी बद अवस्था में वो मेरे लिए सुस्वाद नहीं है. बद अवस्था में मुझको अच्छा नहीं लगता, फिर भी कैसे किया जाए.
I was asked at Prabhupada, the Indian citizen.
I was asked by Prabhupada to be an Indian citizen
प्रभुपाद मुझको भारतीय नागरिक होने के लिए कहे थे
and to stay in Mayapur.
and to stay in Mayapur.
और मायापुर में रहने के लिए.
So I like Indians. I like Indians.
So I liked Indians.
मुझको भारतीय पसंद है.
I like Mayapur.
I like Mayapur.
मुझको मायापुर भी प्रिय है.
So I felt guilty.
So I felt guilty.
तो मुझको मैं शर्मिंदा महसूस किया.
I thought we should do the order of the Guru, even if he didn't like it.
I thought the order of the Guru was something that we did not like.
Which he did
Should not like the order.
Do anything.
समझा नहीं.
We should not like what the order is.
हमें वो पसंद नहीं आना चाहिए जो गुरु का आदेश हो.
The Prabhupada told me,
So Prabhupada told me,
तो प्रभुपाद बोले मेरे को
you're lucky.
you're lucky
कि आप सौभाग्यशाली हैं.
If the Guru asks you to do something you like to do.
the Guru asks you to do something that you like.
कि गुरु आपसे वही चीज मांग लिया जो आपको पसंद है,
whether you like it or not,
But whether you like it or not,
मगर आपको पसंद हो या ना हो,
you should still do it.
you should still do it.
आपको फिर भी करना चाहिए.
So, try to do what the Guru wants.
So we try to do what the Guru asks.
तो हम वो प्रयास करते हैं करने का जो गुरु बोले करने को. एक
Last question.
Last question.
अंतिम प्रश्न.
When opulence comes, I forget Krishna and Guru and instruction. What is application for me? How I use my body only for Guru and Krishna. I want to do it.
जब कुछ ऐश्वर्य प्राप्त होता है तो हम गुरु और कृष्ण को और उनके आदेशों को भूल जाते हैं. तो सवाल ये है कि हम ये कार्य कैसे कर सकते हैं कि अपने शरीर को मैं कैसे अपने शरीर को गुरु और कृष्ण के लिए ही प्रयोग करूं. मैं ऐसा करना चाहता हूं.
A disciple who executed the order of Guru.
There was a disciple who executed the order of the Guru.
तो एक शिष्य था जो अपने गुरु के आदेशों का पालन किया.
Then his relative died.
Then his relative died.
और उनका कोई संबंधी मर गया.
He got big inheritance.
He got a big inheritance.
उनको कुछ पैतृक संपत्ति प्राप्त हुई.
So he thought, I surrendered to Krishna because I didn't have anything. I have so much, I don't need to surrender.
So he thought, I surrendered to Krishna because I had nothing, but now I have so much. So no need to surrender.
तो उसने सोचा कि मैं कृष्ण को शरणागत हुआ जब मेरे पास कुछ नहीं था, मगर अब मेरे पास बहुत कुछ है, तो शरणागत रहने की क्या आवश्यकता है.
Soon, money was gone.
Soon the money was gone.
और जल्द ही वो सारा पैसा खत्म हो गया.
Then he wanted to come back, surrender to Krishna.
Then he wanted to come back and surrender to Krishna.
तो वापस आना चाहता था और फिर भगवान की शरण लेना चाहता था.
So, one should understand that this entire world is a world of duality and illusion.
So one should understand that this material world is a world of illusion.
तो सबको ये समझना चाहिए कि भौतिक जगत जो है वो मोह का ही जगत है.
So, one should learn from these mistakes.
So one should learn from these mistakes.
इन सारी गलतियों से सीखना चाहिए.
If one fails to learn,
If one fails to learn,
अगर कोई नहीं सीख पाता
it will take more time to get back to Krishna.
he will take more time to get back to Krishna.
तो उसको ज्यादा समय लगेगा वापस कृष्ण के पास पहुंचने में.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. परम पूज्य जय पताका स्वामी महाराज की, जगत गुरु श्रीला प्रभुपाद की.